all I can say is thank you. Because నాకు తెలుసు, it's a thriller genre. It has దీనికి it's not universal. జనాలు ఎలా accept చేస్తారు ఇది. So firstly, thank you so much to each and every reviewer. Nijanga, you don't know how much you made me happy. So thank you so much to the critics for inta unanimous reviews, so much of appreciation. నేను ప్రతి సినిమాలో యాక్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏదో ఒక there'll be something that is unfulfilled అనిపిస్తుంది. like ఒక maybe not all good reviews or ఇది something I could have done better అని ఎప్పుడు నాకు ఆ థాట్ ఉంటుంది. కానీ బట్ విత్ U-turn I feel that నేను ఇప్పుడు దాకా ఇంత యునానిమస్ రివ్యూస్ ఫర్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ అయితే నాకు రాలేదు, అండ్ దట్ టు ఇన్ తమిళ్ అండ్ తెలుగు. సో ఫస్ట్లీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ టు ద క్రిటిక్స్ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ సో కైండ్ టు మీ. Thank you, Kavita Garu, for gracing this occasion with your presence. You are a great inspiration to me with the social work that you do and with your powerful speeches. We follow everything. Thank you so much for making our day. Thank you, Nandini. Thank you always for being by my side. E-cinema, actually today I just want to thank a lot of people because నేనైతే I am what I am because of the people around me. So thank you my producers. వాళ్ళ ఫస్ట్ సినిమాకి ఒక సేఫ్ సినిమా, ఒక కమర్షియల్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఉన్న సినిమా చూస్ చేయొచ్చు, కానీ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ బిలీవింగ్ దట్ ఇన్ ఓన్లీ గుడ్ కాంటెంట్. సో నిజంగా చెప్పాలి, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ శ్రీనివాస్ గారు, పవన్ గారు అండ్ రామ్ గారు for believing that good cinema will win, and I'm very very proud to have worked with you. Thank you, Pawan. When I really don't have words. Thank you, Pawan, for okay. I don't have to say it, no. Well, Pawan, I'm looking forward. I know that this is what he has done is he has succeeded in 3 states with the same film, and with so much of time gap, which means he has written one hell of a script. And so I'm really really thankful that this decision to work together has been so fulfilling. I'm really really thankful, and I believe he has a long way to go. This is just the tip, like as in it's just a start. It's going to be one hell of a ride for him, and I'm very very happy. Thank you to all the cast, Rahul, Adi and Bhumika ma'am and Naren, the pillars of the film. ఈ సినిమాకి ఇంత నేను చూసేటప్పుడు నాకు అనిపించింది the audience really believed in such realistic portrayals of characters, and they really felt for each and every character. I heard that I didn't, చాలా మంది చెప్పారు నాకు నాకు I didn't know like whether I should follow it through your story or through Rahul's story or through Adi's story. It was because everybody had so much to play in the film, and so much to and their acting was so amazing. Also thank you to all my assistant directors, and especially Bala Garu and Ravi for ee cinema lo dubbing cheppetappudu it was because Pawan doesn't know Tamil or Telugu. They were my support system, and they were so I sat I think 2 weeks in dubbing, and every day they were very patient. లేదు మేడం చేయొచ్చు, చెప్పగలుగుతారని నాకు నమ్మకం ఇచ్చినందుకు I'm very very thankful to them. And sorry, I have to thank my dubbing engineer Dinesh Garu from Annapurna for really really helping me. Maybe నేను 80% చెప్పాను, కానీ the 80% is only because of him. and Nandini garu, who ఈ సినిమాకి అయితే సంబంధమే లేదు కానీ నాతో వచ్చి she sat down and she helped me for 4 days morning to evening. She helped me ఎందుకంటే నేను ఆ ట్రైలర్ రిలీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత when there were some comments I got scared and నా వల్ల కుదురుతుందా I didn't know that, so I thank you for giving me the confidence that I can and helping me with it. It's important ఆవిడ చెప్పినట్టులాగే it's every film you have to grow ఇంకా చేయాలి. So I promise you that this is not the end. With every film I promise to only grow as an actor and as a complete actor. So thank you so much to the press for all the support, and I hope I continue giving films that that make you all proud. Thank you so much to the audience. And I saw so many tweets saying next time nenu asal wrong turn na life lo teeskonu, so I think that is such an important feeling, because oka cinema meme eppudu cheppatledu idi social message cinema kani audience ki ardhamaindi, they got every single what the film was trying to say, and it really moved them. The point of traffic violations and the social message to be told in this way. I got so much of positive reviews regarding that from the audience, and I want to thank each and everyone who tweeted your support and appreciation to me. I am what I am because of you. Thank you so much.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని సరికొత్త సినిమా వీడియోల కోసం ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఈ గంట సింబల్ ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. మేము అప్డేట్ చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో నోటిఫికేషన్స్ మీకు వచ్చేస్తాయి.